Is your iPhone automatically playing music every time it connects to Bluetooth? It can be really annoying, but the good news is you can stop it in less than a minute. Let me show you how. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once you're inside, tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, type play, then select play.pause from the results. After adding it, save the shortcut and go back to the main shortcuts screen. Now, tap the Automation tab at the bottom. Tap the plus icon to create a new automation. In the search bar, type Bluetooth, then select Bluetooth under the Automation section. Next, under Device, you can leave any device selected, or choose a specific Bluetooth device if you only want this to work with one device. Make sure Connected is selected, then tap Next. Choose the play.pause shortcut you just created. Finish the setup, and your automation is ready. That's it. Your iPhone will now stop automatically playing music whenever it connects to Bluetooth. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.